Our first craft is surprisingly cute. We're going to be taking a plain white sweatshirt and giving it a skater kind of vibe. So step one for this project is real simple. All you need is a plain white tracksuit and a blue tone tie-dye kit. Mix up the dye to your kit specifications. Most ones just require adding water. Next, put the trackies into a large plastic tub and bunch them up with elastic bands. Then squirt the dye into the bunches. Once you've covered it to a level that you're happy with, leave these to dry for a couple of hours in an old plastic bag, then give them a wash. Now for the fun part. So my partner loves streetwear and I wanted to make a design kind of aligning with that. I saw a bunch of Stussy tees that have this cute doodly art style going on, so I whipped out my phone and drew something similar. Now, to be honest with you guys, I'd actually expected the tie-dye to be more pastel toned, and I didn't really think Dee would like it with the bright colours. That is to say, at this point you go, I'd given up. So if you're recreating this, maybe put more time into the design than the 5 minutes that I did. Once you have a design in mind though, print it onto some iron-on transfer paper, then cut it out and iron it onto your sweater. Easy. I did also create a dark version of this. All the steps were exactly the same, except I used bleach to tie-dye with rather than normal dye. Which version is your favourite? Let me know in the comments. Project 2 is so easy that I resent calling it a project. All you need is a Masimo moss ball and a nice container. Fill up the container with some water, pop in your moss ball, and that's it. Maybe pick a bigger ball than I did though, because they grow really slowly. And on to gift 3. This is a modern twist on the DIY date night jar. It's a date night vending machine. Ironic that we went into lockdown just before my partner's birthday, but I digress. So for this one, all we need is a mini vending machine from Typo and some paper. I actually made a free printable version of the 100 date ideas that I used, so I will link that post below. Essentially, just cut out the date ideas, fold them up and pop them into the back of your vending machine. That way, if you ever need inspiration on Friday nights, you just pull the lever and a date comes out. And our last gift is an easy self-care gift hamper. There's not too much to say about this. You literally put cheap gifts in a theme box together and voila. But I will go through the gift ideas I had for this care package. Again, it is like self-care themed. So we've got a workout dice, a sandalwood candle and diffuser set, some chocolate, obviously, fluffy socks, face masks, and an on-the-go sealable mug with some nice tea. Alright loves, that's this edition of DIY Gifts for Him done. If you need more inspiration, you can check out my gift ideas from last year. I did make a lot more, however the video gives me hives, so please do not judge me too harshly. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed these ideas. If you did, let me know which one was your favourite, and yeah, have a good rest of your day. Bye!